Unlock the full potential of your PDFs with Affinity Designer, your go-to tool for professional document editing. Begin by importing your existing PDF. Navigate to File, then Open, and select your PDF document from your computer's file system. Once imported, easily manipulate text. Select the Type tool. Click on any text block and begin typing, deleting, or pasting new content as you would in any standard word processor. Images are just as flexible. Use the Move tool to select, resize, or reposition existing images, or drag and drop new ones from your desktop to seamlessly replace them. Vector elements within your PDF become fully editable shapes. Employ the Node tool to refine curves and lines, or the Pen tool to add or remove points for ultimate creative control. When your masterpiece is complete, exporting is straightforward. Go to File, then Export, select PDF, and configure your desired settings before finalizing your newly enhanced document.